Hi there Platinum Traders, and welcome to today's Trade of the Week video. My name's Aaron Uppel. I'm the senior trader here at Platinum Trading Academy. I'm sure you'll all know that by now if you watched any of the previous videos. In today's video we are going to be discussing our 900 point trade on the Dow Jones. I know that sounds a bit unbelievable, but I'm going to show you the chart that was provided. I'm going to show you then the live chart, what happened, and give you an explanation about why some of this movement actually happened on the Dow Jones. So firstly, just before I do that, I'm going to take you to our members area. Our members area is where we provide technical analysis, fundamental analysis and trading opportunities to all of our clients. In addition to this, we also provide one-to-one mentoring to teach our clients exactly how to do this level of analysis themselves. So firstly, if we go to the members area and we scroll on down, we sort of have our morning fundamentals that we provide to our clients. You can see there's some subsections, more tariffs, the reaction, uncertainty. And then further down we have our daily chart analysis. This is sort of the daily charts that we provide to all of our clients for each major currency pair. We then have our important trading zones, which we provide for every single day, apart from high fundamental days such as today, like non-farm payroll. We then have our methodology, and further down we have individual analysis for each currency pair, okay, including fundamental and technical. So it's a fantastic resource to use, this trading floor, for getting all the information you require. Now let me take you to the Dow Jones chart and trade that was provided. So I'm going to bring up the chart just here. So this is the chart that was provided to clients. You can see what we were looking at in terms of a sort of trend reversal, break of the trend. So let's have a look at this particular chart. So we're looking at the fact that Dow Jones was sort of topping out around the 27.4 level, and then from a technical point of view we were looking at shorting from there. But from a fundamental point of view, which is obviously very, very important when it comes to trading the US stocks and equities, we have to get an understanding of what's been happening. So we understand that President Trump, he's been sending currencies and equities crashing lower by hitting China with additional 10% tariffs on the 300 billion in Chinese imports, and that'll be starting this month. Okay, so he said that while trade talks resumed and China promised to buy large amounts of agricultural products from the US, they did not do so. So therefore he's playing hardball, and obviously, as we know, when you play hardball when it comes to economics, you're going to have repercussions for doing that. Because he's playing such hardball and he's placing these extra tariffs on China, it's putting extra pressure on the economy. It's going to cause the central banks to increase more easing, therefore increase exponentially with the new tariffs. Yeah. So that's everyone's greatest concern, is the global growth and trade tensions. This has obviously led to the Dow Jones losing a lot of, I mean, you can see there, it's lost a lot of momentum from where it was. You know, it was at 27.4, it's dropping now below 27, down to 26.5 and below. Okay. So if we take a look at the live chart, now that we've had a look at the picture, also I just want to show you the trade that was taken, just to show you here. DJI, you can see 27.344 was the entry that was taken, and then you can see at the time that we took this snapshot there of the trade, it was at 26.552. Obviously we took a FTSE trade as well there at 11396, but we're not showing that one today, we're just showing the Dow Jones. So if we take a look at the Dow on the live chart here, you can see that sort of indicated a white line about where the trade was taken. You can see right now, sort of where we're speaking, the price is below 26.5. Okay. Obviously, if these pressures increase and further tariffs are placed, and there's no easing by Mr. Trump, and he just wants to keep playing hardball, obviously that's going to continue to fall. So this is why it's very important to have a combination of technical and fundamental when it comes to placing these types of trades, especially for longer term. And this is what we specialise in doing at Platinum, is providing you with the correct understanding about why to enter into particular positions. So this is just one example. You're talking about pretty much 900 pips taken on one particular trade in not a very long period of time. maybe a week or so. So it's a very, very powerful way of trading, and you can make a lot of money doing it. And we're teaching that particular method. So if you want to learn this method and you want to find out a little bit more, then go to our website, which is platinumtradingacademy.com. You can leave your details on the homepage, name, email, phone number. One of our traders will get in touch with you. We'll sort of give you a call, brief you through things. If you like what you hear, then obviously we'll speak further. We'll take you through a full consultation call, which will be sharing our screen with you, discussing all of our strategies, going through the algorithms and the members area that we provide to you. So it's a fantastic sort of test drive that you receive when you get that call. I just want to say thank you very much for watching today's video. I do really, really appreciate it. Also watch the other videos, if you're interested with today's video. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend. I hope the weather stays good for you wherever you are. And we look forward to speaking to you next week. Thank you.